Discord has just dropped an interesting post on their Instagram account. In this video, I will explain you about the free Discord Nitro and also show you some interesting ways to get free Nitro without payment method. Now, before we get to that Instagram post, I will give you a quick rundown about this article. This offer has started since April 1st and will end next year, 2027. It's for people who haven't had Nitro for the past 12 months, excluding the Nitro you get from orbs. Other than that, it's only available in a select few countries. Anyway, this Nitro is only for those who purchased Xbox Ultimate Gaming Pass worth $23. Now, that's one part of the story. Here's the post. Now, after purchasing that $23 Xbox Ultimate Pass, you will receive 1 month Discord Nitro and 50+ games. In their article, they gave a vague idea about what these games are going to be, like Stardew Valley, DayZ, and Fallout 4. With that, you will receive 10 hours of cloud gaming each month and $25 every year. I know most of y'all would be broke, but if you're interested, you can purchase it from here on Discord page. Now I know full well that I will show you a way to get free Nitro without payment method. Yes, go to quests and do them. Bim. Bam.
Wait, now I need to get my phone for this?
Okay, where were we? Bim. Bam. Boop. And 60,000 orbs. So yeah, that is it. This was the method for maybe less fortunate people. Use the orbs to buy free Nitro. And if you like this video, hit the like and subscribe button. And please, don't join my main server to beg free Nitro.